Tesla just pulled the plug on Solar Roof, the product that was supposed to make every home a power plant without looking like one. After nearly a decade of promises, delays, and frustrated customers, the integrated solar tile is officially dead. Here's what happened. Back in 2016, Elon Musk stood on stage and unveiled something that genuinely excited people: roofing tiles that were secretly solar panels. The pitch was simple: why put ugly solar panels on your roof when your entire roof could generate power while looking like premium slate or terracotta? Tesla called it Solar Roof, and it was supposed to cost less than a traditional roof plus solar panels combined. The idea captured imaginations. Homeowners who cared about aesthetics finally had a reason to go solar. But turning that vision into reality proved far harder than anyone at Tesla expected. Production delays stretched for years. Costs ballooned. Installation complexity frustrated both customers and contractors. What was supposed to be Tesla's clean energy flagship became one of its most troubled products. According to Electrek, sources close to the Solar Roof program confirmed that Tesla has officially discontinued the product. The company has notified its third-party installation partners that solar roof tiles will no longer be produced or sold. This isn't entirely surprising to industry watchers. Tesla had already been quietly scaling back solar roof operations over the past year. Installation wait times had grown enormously, and multiple reports indicated that Tesla was prioritizing its traditional solar panel business, which is simpler to install and far more profitable per watt. The core problem was always manufacturing complexity. Each solar roof tile had to function as both a weatherproof roofing material and a solar cell, while looking indistinguishable from a regular tile. That dual requirement made production expensive and quality control difficult. Installations required specialized crews trained in both roofing and electrical work, a combination that's genuinely rare in the workforce. To understand why Solar Roof failed where traditional panels succeed, consider the engineering challenge. A standard solar panel is mounted on brackets above your existing roof. It's modular. If one panel has an issue, you replace that panel. The roof underneath still does its job. Solar roof tiles replace the roof entirely. Every single tile must be waterproof, UV-resistant, hail-resistant, and electrically connected to its neighbors. One cracked tile doesn't just reduce power output, it potentially compromises your home's weather protection. This means every installation is essentially a custom construction project. Roof geometries vary wildly between homes. Valleys, dormers, skylights, vents each requires custom cutting and fitting of these specialized tiles. Traditional roofers couldn't do it. Traditional solar installers couldn't do it. You needed both skill sets, and that workforce simply doesn't exist at scale. This matters beyond just one product. Tesla positioned Solar Roof as the future of residential energy, the proof that going green didn't require aesthetic compromise. Its failure raises real questions. First, what happens to existing solar roof customers? Thousands of homes have these tiles installed. They'll need warranty support, replacement tiles, and maintenance for decades. Tesla hasn't publicly addressed long-term support obligations. Second, this leaves a gap in the market. Homeowners in historic districts or with HOA restrictions often can't install traditional panels. Solar Roof was their only option from a major manufacturer. Third, it signals that Tesla's energy division is refocusing. Traditional solar panels and Powerwall batteries are profitable and scalable. Solar Roof was neither. Expect Tesla to double down on what works rather than chasing the integrated aesthetic dream. The broader lesson for the tech industry: hardware manufacturing at scale remains brutally difficult, even for companies with billions in resources. Looking forward, the residential solar market isn't going anywhere, it's actually growing faster than ever. But the growth is coming from traditional panels, which have gotten dramatically cheaper and more efficient. Companies like Sunrun, Enphase, and even Tesla's own conventional panel division are thriving. For Tesla specifically, this likely means more focus on Powerwall, Megapack utility storage, and their virtual power plant software, areas where they have genuine competitive advantages. The dream of invisible solar isn't dead forever. Other companies like GAF Energy continue working on solar shingles. But Tesla's exit proves that making it work at Tesla scale, millions of units, consistent quality, affordable pricing, remains an unsolved engineering and manufacturing challenge. Tesla's Solar Roof is a cautionary tale about the gap between a brilliant demo and scalable manufacturing. The vision was real. The engineering challenge was just bigger than the vision. If you're considering solar for your home, traditional panels remain the proven, cost-effective choice, and they've never been cheaper. Let me know in the comments if you had a solar roof installed or were waiting for one.